Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be making vegetable rice. I won't call it fried rice because I'm using what I have at home to make this vegetable rice. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using, and now I'm going to prepare the meat. I've sliced onions, I put in salt, I put in my thyme, then I added the seasoning cube. So I'm going to cook it. So I parboiled the meat and I allowed the meat to cook. And I chopped the vegetables, that is spring onions, carrots. I blended the pepper, red pepper and yellow pepper plus onions together. I chopped the lettuce, I chopped cabbage, and I fried the meat. I boiled the green peas, and I sliced in the bell pepper. So I went ahead and boiled the water, then I poured in my washed rice inside the hot water that was already on. So I'm going to add in the curry, but depending on the quantity that you prefer. So here, that is the quantity that I'll be using, that you guys just see. So after adding everything together, I'm going to mix everything together and let it cook. So after like 10 minutes, this is how the rice look like. So you bring it out, and I washed it. You have to make sure you washed your rice with a lot of water so that the curry can wash out. So after washing it, that is how the rice look like. So I put the pot on the fire and I let it hot a little bit. Now I added in my oil. So so I pour in the blended pepper. And I'm going to let it cook for a few minutes. Then I added thyme, bay leaf. I mix everything together. I put in curry. I put in seasonings. So there are some parts that I'll put in salt. Then the water I use for the meat, you're going to add in also. Then I added seasoning powder. I let it cook for a few minutes. Then I'm going to put in the rice. I pour the rice and I mix everything together. Mix it and let it cook for a few minutes, since your rice has already been cooked. So I mix everything together and let the rice cook for a few minutes. So far, that is how it looks like. So now that the rice has been cooked, I'm going to put aside, and I get my frying pan. Then I pour in oil, little oil. I pour in my chopped onions, carrots, green peas, chopped vegetables. And I get back the rice and I pour in all my vegetables back in the rice. I added in cabbage, spring onions, lettuce, and the meat. And I went ahead and mix everything together, and voila, here is our food, our homemade vegetable rice. So go ahead and try it.